I spent a long time thinking about what I was going to get for this printer because printers are not cheap. And I also knew that I would probably upgrade it in 2 to 3 years. But this is the one I got. So let's get it out of the box. So much styrofoam. So much styrofoam. Just have to keep the cats from eating the styrofoam. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. The one thing I always say about printers is how pretty they are. This is it. It's very sleek. It's not that much bigger than the other one. Let me get the other one so you can make a comparison. You can see them both. Ah! Yeah, they're about the same size. And I think this is going to be great. And I can, it's top load. So I can top load cardstock. Oh, I'm excited. And here's where it shows the ink levels, because this is one of those printers that uses pigment. And I love that because when I am printing photographs, the colors will be that much richer because you've not only got the red, but you have to also have this magenta. And those work together in photographs to really make the color pop. A lot of the more expensive printers actually only have 4 colors. So this, I think, is really cool. Now, when I upgrade, I will probably have to pay a lot more, probably 3 times more. I think it was a great purchase. So I will show you how it works. Well, Oscar has to inspect it, of course. What do you think, Oscar? Are you going to help me? He always helps me with my printing. The other cat does too, the female. The other male, not so much. He's scared of the printer. But Oscar loves to help.